Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you remember the last time, we are planning how we are most likely going to get to 21,837 and also 22,010. Okay, also, we're also looking at this level 22,174. Those are the levels we are reaching out for the last time, if you all can remember. So we ended up hitting two targets. You can check on my last video and see where I was talking about that and where we are outlining the possibilities of getting to those levels. So we were able to hit two levels and we just fell short of the last target right here. Okay, and then so that's part of my reason of making this video. So for me, with what we have on the weekly time frame, I can still see bullishness in this market. Okay, I can still see bullishness in this market because for the weekly time frame, my eye jumps right into this other block right here. Okay, or that proportion block right here. Sorry. So I wouldn't want price to see 50% of it at all. I'm also watching this fair value gap here. That's this candle's high and this candle's low. That's what I outlined here. Okay, I saw our price traded into it and then rejected. So I'm looking at the possibility of price sending us higher through this. That's one of the things I'm looking at. The possibilities of price sending us higher through this fair value gap. This is for the weekly time frame, and we had this nice drop yesterday, only yesterday, just because of FOMC. So you know what that could be also. Wipe out sell side liquidity, closing fair value gap, and then also I don't want us to trade into this, or rather just 50% of this. I don't want us to trade into it while we seek higher prices on this market. So going down to the daily time frame, you can remember I think the last two videos I made when we saw I was looking out for us to drop into this this new week opening gap here and then same price. I was looking for something like that before. Then before I made another video and was calling how we are going to bounce off this and then see higher prices because we are probably going to come back to this later. And right now we have it here. And we're back on those levels I called out on one of my YouTube videos here. We are back on this new week opening gap here. I outlined it here. Okay. I want us to leave a portion of this fair value gap open, which we have here. Also, these lines you see here are the weekly fair value, with the weekly fair value gap, this two right here. So we bounce into it. I like the way we close on this new week opening gap and how price is surging away from it. So what I want to see right now is I want to see this gap to act as a reclaimed fair value gap. A reclaimed FVG. Okay. That's what I want this to act as. I want price to go above it, touch it, and then continue going higher. That's what I'm expecting on this pair, on this fair value gap. That's probably my thought process on it. And I don't want us to trade into this fair value gap or even close it completely. Okay, I want us to leave it open. I don't want to highlight it so I won't have a dirty chart. Okay. I already have a lot of things on my chart already, so I just want to be pointing them out. Okay, this video you can run back and watch it and hear what I said and what I outlined about. So, fair value gap, order block on the daily time frame, moving to the upside, retracement into discount array, fair value gap, new week opening gap. Okay, since we reclaimed and we've closed in the weekly fair value gap, expect to go on top of it, bounce off this daily fair value gap and reclaim it and then search for higher prices. Okay, so whenever you see price trading around these levels or running these lows, just know that there is a very high possibility of us getting to this low. Okay, and I wouldn't be part of that because I don't want to be calling the top of the market right now. So I'm just sticking with the bias we have and until proven otherwise. Okay, I'm just sticking with the bullish standpoint until proven otherwise. Also, we're getting towards the end of the year, so that's why I'm outlining those. So if we are able, let me go back to the weekly time frame and show you guys something. So if we're able to seek higher prices continuously. Let me call out the targets that we have. Okay, let me call out more standard deviation of targets that we are likely going to see. I think this was standard one here. Okay, yeah. So I'm looking at these levels. Let me just leave two levels as what I'm outlining for. So this. So firstly, I'm looking at the remaining target, or the last one we had last time. That's 22,174.5. Also, I'm looking at 22,658.8, and also I'm looking at 23,133.9. Those are the possible targets I'm looking at as we going towards the end of the year. So let me go to the 4 hours time frame, since I've already outlined everything I'm looking for on the daily time frame. So here we have everything is being transposed from the weekly, daily, down to the 4 hours time frame. So see how we run out this sell side liquidity. See how we traded into this fair value gap and left a portion of it open. Here, I don't want to mark it. Let me just do it and change the color so you'll understand better. Okay, I think this color is okay. See how I just tapped into it, okay, and then rejected higher. So probably I'm looking for some kind of way that will work on top of this and then see higher prices for those targets that I've already outlined. Okay, for the targets I outlined using my standard deviation or by Fibonacci. So with that being said, I wish you guys good trading. I wish you guys good luck. Okay, please endeavor to like and subscribe this video on this my YouTube channel. Also, I want to get this YouTube channel to a good number, so I can probably over time we might be streaming live here, and so you guys can also be seeing how I trade and engaging with me. Sometimes I could share my trade ideas, could possibly help you guys make money while I make money also on this channel. So peace guys, Merry Christmas in advance. Bye bye.